Hey guys, it is February the 5th, 2026. 38 degrees this morning, going to get up to around 53 today. Still a little too chilly to repot my Plumeria just yet, but I will show you how I do the mixture for the soil that I use to repot the Plumeria. Also, we're going to be working out in the backfield today, trying to get everything ready for spring. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing. In the next few weeks, I'm going to be repotting most of my Plumeria, and to help me mix the soil mixture that I use, I have purchased this Bauer 12 amp 5/8 inch mud mixer and this Hercules 30 inch long heavy duty mixing paddle to see if it will make it a little easier for me to mix up my potting soil, perlite, vermiculite, black cow, and peat moss that I used for my potting soil. I mix such large portions that hopefully this will make it a little smoother for me this year. We'll go ahead and get these unboxed and show you what we've got. Alright, I did get these at Harbor Freight. This was, I believe, around $120, and these were $15 for the mixing paddle. Not sure how well these are going to work mixing the soil for me, but hopefully so. We'll give it a test and see what happens. Alright, let's see what we got here. I did get the corded one. They do offer a battery powered one, but I was thinking if I was going to do this, I needed the more power from having the cord. It's pretty nice. It'll mix my soil like I'm doing a cake batter or something. Alright, we'll get this outside, get the soil out, and start mixing and see how well it works. The soil mixture I use when I'm repotting my Plumeria from a bare root repotting, I use an entire bag of Miracle-Gro potting mix, a 50 quart bag, to a cubic foot of black cow. Then I mix in equal parts of some worm castings, vermiculite, and perlite, and also a little bit of peat moss, just to give it some drainage. You want to mix it until it looks like a crushed Oreo mixture of the potting soil, black cow, worm castings, peat moss, vermiculite, and the perlite. That gives the Plumeria the drainage it needs, along with the nutrients.